Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Pop Doctor guys. Kindly subscribe, leave a comment guys, and you can support me with watching out guys. Today I have decided to have a nature walk with my friend here. Okay, let me introduce you.
Hello beautiful people. I don't know if they'll see me because of sun. Let us go there. Yeah. Guys, we are here with my brother here. Uh, Pop Doctor. Like that, Pop Doctor.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. He is standing, he is walking with me. His village around. This village is what?
You can say Kibranga.
Kibranga.
Yeah.
Now here I can see you guys.
Yeah.
Wow. So guys, welcome back at
Pop Doctor.
Pop Doctor YouTube channel. Guys, please consider subscribing. Guys, show him love and support. Guys, subscribe, like, comment, share his video guys, so that he go up. No guys, we are here to go up, down. You there, we are from down guys. No, not up down guys. You know, sometimes English is hard. So bro, my name is even guys, I'm sorry for this. I didn't tell you this. I don't tell you this. I forget to tell you this, guys. You know English, you must learn before you talk. So even me, I have a channel by the name Tembe001. If you are watching from his side, please go check me there, Tembe001. I'm running to 5,000 subscriber, guys. Push me there. I really love you and I appreciate you, guys. Yeah, I know you will push me there, guys.
Okay.
Yes.
No, today I decided to have nature walk towards.
Yeah.
I am Mayobino. Okay, and you can wonder how this is the first time I've introduced
Yeah.
Tembe 001 at my channel.
Yes.
Kindly support him. Without your support, we're not going anywhere, guys. And we're going towards this direction, towards Mayuguno, and
Oh well, you know
know,
this one.
yeah.
Okay.
And keep tuned, keep watching, guys.
Tunaenda mpaka wapi?
Kutaka twende hapo kwa Mayuguno. And guys, we are passing at you can say shortcut, guys. This is a long cut, okay? And we have my brother here. I hope you're enjoying the video, guys.
Yeah, guys, you know here Africa we have what we call panya routes,
Yeah.
shortcuts. Like this one here, there's no tarmac road inside here. We create our own ways. Like this, and then we go. We pass through
the
the
middle
boat.
of Shamba.
You found you are at Isbania there at market. By going like this, chan inside.
Yeah.
Here we are not using vehicle, guys. We are using KMT sijui what. Kanyaga mguu twende.
Okay, you can say
Mguu, bro.
pedestrian, something like that.
Yeah.
And you see, our village is very green. Okay, we are farmers.
And the medicine is around here, guys.
Yeah.
You know, like
You
this
see?
one. You know, this one, guys, is medicine. Yeah.
If
Yeah,
you have stomach
yeah,
ache, and
You eat like this one.
if you have stomach ache, come here. If you come here at Kuria or a Maro village, you have stomach ache, find me all Tembe
Hey,
001,
guys,
guys.
you see, like now I'm eating the medicine. Going
Okay.
ahead there.
And you see this maize here, plantation maize, can say large scale farm.
Yeah.
Okay, and you are able to see, you see maize like this. They're not ready to harvest, but like 1 month, okay, they will be ready. Okay, and if you Tembe 001,
Guys,
how do you feel at
me?
Mara village?
I feel comfortable,
Yeah.
and I say thank you, Amaro, for bringing these things for us. This YouTube, you know, I was not knowing YouTube is what, but through you, man, I've come to realize and to know what is YouTube, and I appreciate it, and I appreciate you, and I love you so much, brother.
Okay.
So, guys, here, when you come here,
Okay.
don't eat medicine before before what we call it, introduction. No. Maelekezo, guys, maelekezo.
English not water.
Guys, because you can overdose yourself.
Okay.
Because this is medicine for bush. You can overdose yourself.
You know, you can't
Yeah.
mix medicine. This can say what this medicine.
This medicine for stomach, guys.
Yeah, can't mix for doctors and can't say what.
For doctors and for our
Guys, I stop the camera to pass the home somebody. I can say okay, and let us continue. Okay, guys. And
yes,
where we reach?
guys. You know me. I'm sometimes scared. Yeah, me I don't fear, guys. Me I record a video everywhere I go. Yeah.
Even
Yeah.
somebody face.
Yeah, but before he told you stop, you record it because we are passing. We record a video when we are passing. Yeah, we are not destroying him. We are not doing anything bad to him.
Yeah.
So, only to take this video, it is not problem to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, continue watching this video. Guys, don't forget to like the video, guys.
Subscribe.
Comments.
Okay.
And then after that, subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
After that, this video is amazing, guys. Share this video so that my brother can go up there. Yeah, he is
1K.
rolling to 1,000 subscriber. Guys, please, we are humble. I'm humble. Please take him there. Yeah,
You know,
and we appreciate these guys.
let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
How many months have you? All years have you been here in this village?
No, I'm here like, yeah, in this village I'm like 1 year now.
1 year.
Yeah.
How many YouTubers have you met?
A lot of them, all of YouTuber in Bohansi here, they know me.
Approximate.
I can't know because when you meet with somebody today and tomorrow, we are not counting, huh?
Yeah.
But I know it is a lot of, yeah, it is a lot of YouTuber here, guys.
Yeah.
You know, here in Nyabohansi is where YouTubers they coming from. A lot of YouTubers they come from Nyabohansi. Here in East Africa, Kenya, Nyabohansi village, big village for YouTubers. Through our master Marwa. Yeah, Marwa is our boss here, guys. You know, the person with the free heart who bring those something amazing to us like youths. You know, we appreciate this so much. And here Tembe 001, don't forget, guys, go check me there, subscribe, tap the bell. When I upload the video, you will be the one to watch this video to get that notification, guys. You see, here in Africa we are using shortcuts. Yeah, you see, like this, guys, Panya route. Then here we come to meet our temporary washing room. This is our where you come to take shower. That one, you see, guys. Yeah, that's when you come there. We don't have this shower for no. We have that one for D and shop and cooking oil. No, mafuta here. Cooking oil and oil you put, you go. Yeah, traditional soap is here, guys. But this one, don't try to use it when you have a white cloth.
Like me.
You will get something like you will never forget it. Guys, here we can see there's maize, groundnuts, and everything is inside there. There's even beans. You know, here, guys, we plant something we call together intercropping. It's something like that, eh?
Yeah.
Guys, do you see me? You know me, I'm tall. Sometimes you can see the chest or not. The head is upside there, guys. Like
So funny.
no, it is true. But what I'm saying, guys, is true. Sometimes I can bring the camera down. I like to see you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So when they see you, they see my chest. because I'm tall. So now I have to put it like this.
Have you ever seen onion this place?
Yeah, there's
Yeah,
there.
there's there.
Onion is there, guys.
Have a look.
This is our African garden here.
Onion. This
Onions.
we call it makobe. Okay,
Makobe,
in our language.
in our language, yeah. In
Yeah.
our language is makobes. But
Yeah. Maize.
but me I know scales, guys. Scales kuma wiki. But this one waliniambia nimesahau. So they told me this one, guys, but I forget. I will go to ask again. Yeah.
Me, I understand like makobe. It's so sweet. If
Yeah.
you cook, you start by chemushering, okay, boiling. Okay.
Yeah, you boiling.
After that you
Boiling, guys. Don't boiling tumekubo. No. boiling water.
Yeah.
It's like boiling.
Put sufuria.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
The boys.
department.
Yeah.
Pero the boy is there, guys. You see? Yeah. So
Yeah, we are past at Chacha.
guys,
Okay.
what I can say is that, guys, we really appreciate you, and what we can, I can say I don't have anything to pay you guys, because you take your money, especially buying bundles from your pocket, buying bundles, and come watch our videos, support us. I really appreciate this, but God will pay you more than this, and we really love you.
I need your support, guys.
And we need your support, guys.
Your support.
You know, guys, when you are supporting us, watching our video, you leave there a sweet comment. When Itembe001 is wake up morning, is hurry to go to phone for the another video. You see? Yeah, but when you leave there something not amazing, Itembe001 can sleep the whole day.
Can go chambers big.
Hey, guys, you know here, guys. You see, this is the way that we are using. One step mistake, you broke your leg. So you gonna have one leg, you dance like this, like frog. Frog has 4 legs, but other fellow, Opoa, yes, pero the boy, guys. Yeah. So yeah. So guys, I don't know what's the problem with the frog. It have all of the legs. Oh no, it have 4, but jumping every time like one leg. So this, I must sit down, then I investigate what how is this legs for in front is short.
Yeah. And here this is to
now this way, guys, we are taking here. It is taking us to Ayamaro home, Ayamaro Villa, where he is building his villa Medellin, and here is where he was born. Yeah, this is our home now, guys. Ayamaro home is here, and now we are using this one. Me with my brother here, Pop Doctor.
Yeah.
Pop Doctor. Pop Doctor.
Yeah. Pop
Do you
doctor.
know how to injure somebody? The shindano.
Yeah.
Hey.
I don't having buttock there.
All this, oh, guys, you know, this doctor can be a nickname, not really. You know, this guy, Pop Doctor, I look him like he's small too much. But I mean,
You can see a person is small in body, but age has to leave. I need to tell you.
okay, are you a doctor?
No, not doctor, but that's the plan.
Oh, you have this, eh?
Yeah.
This is your dream.
Yeah, neurosurgeon,
Yeah.
something like that.
Wow, you will be a good man. Even me, when I will be sick,
Yeah.
I will come to
Me,
check you.
yeah,
Then I want medicine. No, I don't want to injure me like this. No, medicine. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not traditional here, guys. I'm careful. I cannot.
Go to the hospital. With that. If you pass like this, you'll find medicine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anywhere in Korea. Actually, I can say that God bless us in Korea.
Yes.
Yeah. If you
So
go somewhere like Garissa,
yeah.
there's no trees. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. So guys, want to end my video. Okay, I hope guys you have subscribed at my channel.
Yeah.
You load me to 1,000 subscribers and ot7uuhaving. Okay.
Yes, guys, don't forget to go and check ot7uuhaving. After watching this video, go check this amazing content there. You enjoy yourself. We love you and we appreciate you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I know you did it for me and I appreciate you. I'm humble, guys.
So guys, let us end our video. Okay guys.
Bye bye. Let us meet the other episode tomorrow.